Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today as we draw Tom Brady of the New England Patriots. So we did a drawing of Tom Brady a while back on the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Check out that video in our library. This time we wanted to draw the greatest of all time, Tom Brady in the New England Patriots uniform. Tom Brady played for Michigan University, was the 199th pick in the 6th round to New England, considered the greatest steal of all time. He went to 9 Super Bowls with the Patriots, won 6 Super Bowls. He now owns first in passing yards for quarterbacks, first in completions, first in touchdown passes, and first in games started by a quarterback. So let's get started on the greatest of all time. Find the center of your page up and down, center of your page across. We'll do Tom Brady's head, large cartoon format right here. So we're gonna get a dark marker and we'll start with a squared off jaw, okay? So we'll go down to the chin, up, down, over, and back up. As you can see, I put a little divot in Tom Brady's chin as his chin kind of has that dimple. So we'll do an ear on that side. We'll do his head kind of curving out. So now I'm gonna do some bumps, some squiggles for his hair on top. So just follow along. He's got some short hair. There we go. So we're gonna do his eyes, straight across, not perfect, but it's okay. We're gonna do these U shapes to connect those eyes. His nose, his mouth is gonna go down, up, and out. Down, flat, and up. Kind of color those corners in black there. Give a little shadow on top. All right. We'll do a little smile line there. A couple of lines coming off from the nose. He's got a dimple in his chin, and we will create a couple of highlights, color those around those highlights. So leave this part white, those are the highlights. Add a little black around the pupil, and I'm going to quickly grab a light blue. I think his eyes are blue, can't remember exactly. We'll do a little blue action around that black, just kind of outline the black and blue. Okay. Get your black marker again. We'll do the neck. Down, down, to a point. Connect. All right. Let's do the shoulder pad. 1 shoulder pad, 2 shoulder pad. Round it off, round it off. We're going to now come down to the waist, straight across, up, and into that shoulder pad. All right, so let's do a big football on this side. Arch, another arch to connect, football shape. 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the 4 fingers holding the football, and there's the thumb. We'll bring his arm down. 1, 2. 1, 2. So kind of going behind that football there. Let's do this other arm. Bicep bumps out. The elbow comes under a little further and stops. Forearm goes up to the thumb. What is he going to be doing with his finger? He's going to be holding up the number 1. because frankly he is considered the best quarterback, the #1 quarterback of all time, so we'll give him some credit. So now we're going to connect that wrist down to the elbow. Alright? So over here we're going to draw a little towel hanging off of his waist. Can be any shape you want, just make it look like a towel. Right here is the little hand warmer off of his waist that he wears. Let's do some legs. Down, up, down, and up. Okay? Socks, down, down, and connect. Down, down, and connect. Now we're going to draw these big cleats like we do for all of our cartoon athletes. So we'll do the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, that's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Bring that big shoe out straight across. Stop at the ankle and connect. Bring that ankle down, straight across, up, and connect to the shoelace. Great. Arch, 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 arch. That just shows a little interest in the shoe. All right, so we are now going to get our blue, dark navy blue marker. We're going to outline right here around the neck, come down to a point, up to the shoulder pads. So we're going to color this area in blue. We can do this in our fast forward, or we can do it now. I'll just kind of block that section in right now. We'll do the rest blue in the fast forward. On the shoulder pad, come down, 1, into a point. We're going to color this in dark blue as well. He'll be wearing the white jersey today. Same on this side, down to a point, color that in. You know what, why don't we just color this all in so we're not confused. Okay, the neck, the collar of the jersey is going to be dark blue. There we go, that was easy. And the edge of the jersey is blue as well, so make a little line, a little on the side of that white jersey to fill in with blue. Now let's color in the number 12. All right. If you need to pause and do these numbers slow, I understand they're a little more challenging, especially this number 2. Come over, down. Okay, and we're going to color these numbers in blue, but first we're going to outline it in red. So grab your red, we'll do a little outline. Hopefully it works. Not a lot of room over there. My bad. We'll outline the 2 with the red. Not a lot of space, but hey, we make it work, right? Plus, it's just a cartoon. It's just for fun, not perfect. It's all good. Now we're gonna do some stripes down. We'll do a red stripe, a red stripe, okay? And then we will do, let's see, another red stripe, another red stripe, and a red stripe here on the sock. Okay. Get your blue again. We will do two blue stripes above the, well, one above the red, one below the red on the sock. And then we will do some blue pants, but watch this. We're gonna draw a line, leaving a white stripe on the outside of that red right there. So it's gonna go blue, white, red. Okay. And then all this entire pant is gonna be colored blue, just so you can see it. And I'll fill that in better. Get our thick marker right here, our wide tip, color these in navy blue. And usually we do this on the fast forward, but this is a little more challenging, so I wanted you to be able to see it. And then I'm going to do a line of blue right down the middle of the red. Okay. All right. Maybe we'll thicken that red up just a little bit, make it show a little bit better. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to get a light kind of a blonde brown color, and we're gonna color his hair, kind of scribble that hair color in. He's got, make some zigzags and then fill this in with this kind of a light brown. Coming down the sides there. And what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of darker brown. I guess you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to add some lines. Those lines are just to make it look like his hair's combed. We'll finish those in a minute. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fast forward. We're gonna do a flesh color face, maybe some whiskers, brown football. We'll color the 12 in blue, give him a couple of sleeves in blue. We'll color his shoes, and we will have Tom Brady of the New England Patriots complete. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Tom Brady, New England Patriots. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Let us know who you'd like to see next. And fast forward now.